Scenario 1. The complaint is that the customer does not know how to order. How not to handle a customer complaint. Customer service employee. Good morning and thank you for choosing our company. How may I assist you today? Customer. I only have a few minutes for you to tell me how to order. Customer service employee. I will tell you how to order if you ask me politely. Customer. Listen, what I want you to do is take my order and get me the products within the next 2 business days. Customer service employee. You still did not ask me politely, and I will not take your order until you ask me nicely. Customer. I would like to speak with your manager about the way you're talking to me. Hopefully, they will be able to answer my questions. Scenario 2. How to handle a customer complaint. Customer service employee. Good morning and thank you for choosing our company. How may I assist you today? Customer. I've only got a few minutes for you to tell me how to order. Customer service employee. That is no problem. We have a few different ways that you can order. Through the catalog, over the phone, and through the website. How are you thinking about completing your order today? Customer. Listen, what I want you to do is take my order and get me the products within the next 2 business days. Customer service employee. I would be glad to take your order. All our orders have a 2-day shipping policy. Your items should be to you within the time frame you are looking at. Customer. Orders items with customer service employee. Customer service employee confirms that the order was taken properly and that all the items the customer wants are being shipped. Customer. Thank you for everything. That was everything that I wanted to order. Thank you for your time. Customer service employee. Thank you again for choosing our company, and we look forward to doing business with you in the future. Now, my service breakdown is when the product or service does not meet the customer's expectations. And the recovery is when you're able to correct the customer's complaint. I learned that in the customer service world, you're not always going to get the nicest of customers, but you always have to be polite and professional and being able to help them out at any way possible without getting angry at them or hanging up with them, because that's your job to be as a customer service person, is to serve the customer, and to serve the customer at the best of your ability and be able to meet the customer's needs as to what they're asking for to be done.